Good morning, my friends. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. We thank God for a day like this. Our subject is science. Science. And we are going to look at living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. That's the strand one. And the diversity of matter. When we were in class 1, we learned about living things and non-living things. And last week too, we did a revision on living things and non-living things, and we were able to tell me what living things are and what non-living things are, and what living things can do and what non-living things you can do. So today we are going to continue from where we ended, and also we talk about the basic parts of a plant. But today we are going to look at the basic structure of animals. The basic structure of animals. You all know that animals, they have head, they have legs, they have the main body. But here we'll be using some terms like length and trunk. So as the lesson is ongoing, you understand what is the length and what is what? The trunk. So by the end of this substrand, learners should be able to state the basic part of animals. Should be able to state the basic parts of animals, and also should be able to mention any animals you know. Should be able to mention or give examples of any animal that you know, and also you engage ourselves in drawing any animal of your choice. So science, today we are looking at the basic structure of animals, and we are going to look at the head, the limbs, and the trunk. States the basic part of animals. Mention any animals you know. And also we'll be engaging ourselves to draw animals of your choice. Now, we have something brief here to talk about. We are saying that there are different kinds of animals found around us, around our environment, around our locality. There are so many kinds of animals that you can see. Some animals can be found in our environment, as I said earlier. Some can be found in the bushes, and some can also be found in the forest. There are animals that also live in water. Some examples of animals are hen, sheep, cat, duck, dog, cow, bat, snail, elephant, lion, snake, pigs. There are so many. You can mention so many types of animals that you have. We are saying that all animals have many body parts. However, the basic body parts of animals are the head. See the head, correct? The legs and trunk. So the main body parts of an animal are three: the head, the limbs, and trunk. So if somebody asks you how many parts, that's the main body parts of an animal. There are three: head, limbs, and trunk. Head, limbs, and trunk. And you can also give examples of animals. I cannot mention all animals in the world, so you to give me some examples. Now, look at this picture. What animal is this? What animal is this? I hope somebody said the answer. A cow. A cow. Correct, a cow. So let's look at the basic structure. First, we have the head. Look at the head. From the head, you have the trunk. The trunk is the main body. The main body, the trunk. So another name for trunk is body. Trunk, the same as body. Then the head. The head. We have the limb. So another name for limb or limbs are the legs, the nine, the head. Then the trunk is the middle part of the animal. So let's look at the basic parts again. You have the head, H-E-A-D, head. You have the trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk. That's the middle part or the main body part, the body. Then you have the limbs, L-I-M-B, limb. If it's 2 or 3 limbs. And the limbs are also known as legs, and the trunk, the main body. So as at now, you can give me the main body parts of an animal. Let's continue. Now, one, we are going to look at some of the functions or the basic parts. First one, the limbs. Limbs refer to the hand and legs of animal. The limbs refer to the hand and legs of animals. So the hands or the legs can be referred to as what? Limbs of an animal. And what does the limbs do? Limbs help animals to move. That's the legs. They help animals to move. Some animals have 2 limbs and 4. Others have even 6. Like the elephant, the insect, the limbs. So what you are saying is the limbs refer to the hand and legs of animal. Limbs help animals to move. Some animals have 2 limbs and 4. Most insects have 6 limbs. Now quickly, let's come to the head. There are few animals that do not have limbs at all. Examples of such animals are snail. You don't have the leg to walk, and the snakes. But every animal has a head. A snail don't have limbs. Only nine or the nancy and snakes. But all animals have head. The eyes, the ear, the nose, and the mouth are all found on the head of an animal. Let's go back again. The eyes, the ears, the nose, and mouth are all found on the head of an animal. So the head holds the eye, the ear, the nose, and the mouth. Animals use their eye to see. Animals use their nose to breathe, smell, and sniff things. Animals use their ears to hear. All animals have mouth. And what do you think they use their mouth for? As usual, animals use their mouth to eat. Let's come to the trunk. The trunk or the body. The trunk is the main body of an animal. So if I ask you what's the main part of an animal, is the trunk, or in other words, the body. The chest, the stomach, the back, and the waist can be found on the trunk of an animal. So when we talk about the head, what the head holds: the eye, the nose, the mouth, the ear. When it comes to the next face, that one is the main body. The main body. And that one is the trunk, or the body of an animal. So the body, or the trunk, is the main body part of animals. The animal, the chest, stomach, and back, as well as waist, can be found on the trunk of an animal. So you have looked at the basic structure of an animal, and we said that the main basic parts of animals are three: head, limbs, and trunk. He said that the head holds the eye, the ear, the nose, and mouth, and the eye is used to see. Then the limb helps the animals to move. That's the leg and the hand. You can see a goat having 4 limbs. Yeah. Then the trunk is the main body part. So here you have a short assignment to do in your exercise book or notebook. The first one is mention the basic part of an animal. Mention the basic part of an animal. A, B, C. You write them nicely. Then 2, how many limbs does each animal have? So a snail. How many limbs? That's the leg. So look at the number of the limbs, that's the leg, then write it there. Lion has how many limbs? Bird, horse, and dog. So we'll bring our lesson to an end here, then we continue next time. Thank you for your participation. Bye bye.